I don't know if you guys have tried them, but my new obsession recently has been those Starbuck sous vide egg bites. They're phenomenal, and I have a sous vide at home, so I decided I wanted to try to sort of recreate them and put my own spin on it. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I make my ham and mushroom sous vide egg bites in a mason jar. They're creamy, they're velvety, savory, they're perfectly proportioned. You can make a big batch, keep them in the fridge, so in the morning, if you're in a rush, you can grab it and go. Let me show you how to do it. The first thing we gotta do is heat up our water. So I'm gonna be using my Joule sous vide, and it actually comes with an app. So I'm gonna go into the app, put in 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna set our water temperature. This is our new puppy, Shadow. Not so new, he's actually 6 months. We've had him for 3 or 4 months now, and he's so big. And normally he's like running in circles and going absolutely insane, but you're actually being calm for once. I'm very proud. All right, so my butter is heated up in our pan and all melted. I'm just gonna add in a half a cup of little cubed bits of ham, as well as a half a cup of little cubed bits of mushroom. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, then we're just gonna cook this for a couple minutes so the mushrooms get soft and the ham sort of gets a little bit crispy and golden. So as you can see, the sous vide is heating up the water really nicely and some steam is coming off. It is at 164 degrees Fahrenheit, so we are almost there. But in the meantime, we're gonna actually make the egg base mixture thing. So we're gonna start off by adding in 2/3 a cup of heavy cream into a blender, as well as 2/3 a cup of cottage cheese, and we're gonna blend this until it's perfectly smooth. So the reason we blend these two things separately before we add in the eggs is because obviously, no duh, cottage cheese has lumps, and we don't want any lumps in the super silky, velvety egg mixture we're about to make. But we also don't want it to be super bubbly and frothy when we blend the eggs for a really long time. So this way, you get a super silky, sort of creamy dairy mixture, and then we'll add in the eggs and just blend it quickly until it's perfectly pureed. So now I'm just gonna add in 6 eggs. He was barking and we had to put him downstairs. All right, continuing on. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And we're gonna blend it really quick just to make sure everything's incorporated and smooth. So I'm gonna start by adding in a little bit of this saute mixture that we made into all the mason jars so it covers about the bottom. And then we're gonna pour our egg mixture over top until it comes up to about this line on the mason jar right here. All right, so we let them sit for about a minute so some of the bubbles popped. I've also been going through and tapping them like this to get rid of any air bubbles. All right, I'm gonna screw the lid on, just like this. Tightly, then I'm gonna unscrew it a little bit like that, and then just gently screw it on again like that. So that way they aren't screwed on too tightly, and then the air bubbles can be released and escape, and our mason jars won't explode. Now the water is hot, so I'm gonna use tongs to put my mason jars in, and we're gonna leave them in there for 25 minutes so that they're perfectly cooked through, and then we can eat. All right, 25 minutes has gone by. I'm gonna take all of my egg bites out of the sous vide and put them on a towel. I let them sit a little bit to cool. I'm gonna open one up. Look at that. They're fluffy, silky, smooth. You got those toppings down there. Not toppings, I guess. You have the filling. What'll really take these to the next level is if you add toppings as well. So you can add fresh tomatoes, different herbs. I'm gonna chop up a few chives and I'm gonna sprinkle some on top, and I'm gonna show you how gorgeous these can be, because not only are they super convenient, but they're absolutely adorable. So let me grab my chives and we'll assemble it. It's so cute. You guys, these are so good. That is one of the most silky smooth bites of heaven I've ever had. I love, love, love the ham and mushroom because it's super savory, adds an awesome texture so it's not just straight egg. But those eggs, by adding in that heavy cream and the cottage cheese, it makes them super silky, super smooth and rich. It's so good. I'm telling you guys, ham, mushroom, and chive is an amazing combination. But if you put that aside, I've given you guys a really simple sous vide egg base recipe. So let me know in the comments down below what kinds of fillings or toppings or seasonings you guys add, because I would love to get some more inspiration, because these are so fun to make and I really want to try some more flavors. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.